Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day so far. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some straightening up around the house, and I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge because we actually had an issue with our fridge not cooling, and we had to take everything out of the fridge and put it into the basement fridge for the time being because it wasn't cooling, so everything would have gone bad. I had the opportunity to clean it out, so I took the opportunity to clean it out. So yeah, if you guys like cleaning motivation, reset routines, deep cleaning, that kind of content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I do post weekly videos. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get rid of these dishes. You all know, if you've been here long enough, I always have a pile of dishes to wash. So I'm gonna get those out of the way, and then I'm gonna move on to just straightening up, wiping down counters, and then I'm gonna get to the fridge. I'll tell you a little bit about this whole experience with this fridge. We when we did our kitchen renovation, we bought the fridge then, so it's only a couple of years old, and we had gotten a warranty on it. So I don't know if you guys know, but my husband is an appliance technician. He runs his own business. He used to work for Sears before, and Sears closed down in Canada. Anyways, I don't know about in the States, but in Canada they all closed. So he used to be an appliance technician for Sears, and then he started his own business when they closed, and has been doing that for probably 5 years now, 5 or 6 years. And he worked for Sears for like 20 years. So he has a lot of experience in all things appliances. He doesn't like to work on fridges, I know that for sure. He will do it, but he doesn't like to do it. He prefers to do washers, dryers, stoves, wall ovens, stuff like that. You'd think that maybe because we had this issue that he would fix it, but he was very strong in saying that we got the warranty, we're gonna let them fix it, which I agree with. Although it was annoying, I was like, oh my gosh, you could just fix this thing right now and we could be done with this, but that would, mess up the warranty, I believe. So we did get them to come out, but my husband had to go through hoops to get them to come out. Like, when you get these warranties for anything, when you get an extended warranty, I've always heard people advise against it because it's such a pain in the butt. Like, I can't believe how hard it was to get somebody to come out. Anyway, I won't go through the whole process, but it was a pain, and they were trying to upsell us and all this stuff, and then because we didn't go through with it, because we didn't need any more warranty, we already had enough warranty, they suggested that we go with somebody else to give us these other numbers, and we had to call them, and it was an absolute mess. And meanwhile, our fridge is down. So imagine if we didn't have an extra fridge. Like, I don't understand. I really didn't understand. Like, people that don't have an extra fridge to put their stuff in, what do they do when they have? It's probably been 2 weeks, I think, since we had this issue with the fridge, and it's fixed now. We just got it fixed on Wednesday of last week, but yeah, it's absolutely horrible. So all that to say, like, I don't know about these extended warranties. I think it's just a mess, because all they do is try to upsell you when you have an issue. It doesn't make any sense to me, but all is good. The fridge is fixed. I still haven't put the food back into the fridge from the one downstairs, but it is working now. The ice maker's working, everything's working. Thank God. But yeah, it wasn't too dirty in here, because like when I do the groceries, I usually will give it a quick wipe down before we do the groceries and clean out anything that's leftovers from like the week, not the week before, but earlier in the week, that are no good anymore. I'll clean all that stuff out before we do the groceries, and then a lot of times I'll give it a wipe down. So it wasn't too bad. Like, there was some kind of spillage or something in there, but yeah, so I got it all cleaned out, and I just now have to put all the food back in, and we're all good.
When we're floating
So now I am upstairs. I'm just going to be straightening up the bedroom a little bit. It wasn't too much to do, so I just made up my bed and straightened up the side table and just tidied up in the bathroom a little bit.
You're gonna be in the video doing silly stuff.
Then it's quiet. Cause they are lying. destroy everything. My demons tell me that I'm useless and I don't have anything. Then it's quiet. 'Cause they are lying. Oh, so quiet. They are lying. Quiet.
So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you guys do like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I do post weekly videos, so please come back next week for a new video. I hope you all have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
Don't you get that it's just stupid?